Picture this, my friend. A valley into Africa where dreams feel like they're trapped in the shadows. School, man, was a battlefield. Couldn't read, couldn't write. Failed grade 1. But you know what? Deep down, there was this feeling that I was meant for something more, something special. Fast forward to today, and I'm sitting in this small, dimly lit apartment. The walls carrying the weight of my past. I used to go by the name GK Matesa, making my way as a hip hop artist. Life was good until it threw me with a curveball, vitiligo. Changed everything.
So as you guys can see, we are trading live accounts right here. We're just closing profits in, and I did also send out this signal to the free group. As you guys can see, it is the rough server ahead count. If we scale over to our free group, we can see we have like 1,000 people in our VIX war room. If you guys want to sign up, I will leave a link in the description where you guys can sign up. So let me just show you guys what we're doing here on the free group. Right, I've been sending out these free sources every single day. This is a setup, guys, that I did send out for the guys in the free group. I did send you guys this setup, and I know a lot of people was taking advantage of this setup, guys. And if we take a look at this other source, this is volatility 75, right? This is what we're basically waiting for on this market, guys. This is what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for in the 75, just to break above this zone, a retest, and then a continuation on the market here to the upside. So this is basically what we're waiting for. So as you guys can see, the people is making free money in the VIX war room for free, guys. If you are not in this group, ask yourself, what the fuck are you doing with your life? So this is basically what we're doing on a daily basis. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys right now, we are still in this position right here, and it's also volatility 75, and it is a live account, guys. So yeah, ask yourself, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Because why? If you're not, please guys, stop doing that with my account. Nah? If you guys are not doing it, ask yourself, what the fuck are you doing? Because why? We are making profit, as you can see there. So admiring my body again. Getting there. It's getting there, nah? Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of my body. Is my body up to date? We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Look at my legs. Look at the legs. Look at that legs. It's getting there. I think it's getting there, nah? I don't want to have thin legs. And look at that bicep. It's getting there. So yeah, let's just make some coffee.
So there I was, a hip hop artist turned security guard, hustling for pennies. Life hit me with vitiligo, a twist I didn't see coming. Imagine losing your rhythm, your flow. It was like the music in my life was suddenly out of tune. Trading, I thought, could be my ticket out of this mess. Poured my heart, my dreams, and hard cash into those charts. But guess what? The market had other plans, whipping out everything I had. that flicker of determination remained. Got a new job, started from scratch to fund my trading dreams, blew more accounts than I care to admit. I'm just getting my cook on. What's up? Let's eat some profit, guys. But quitting wasn't an option. 3 mentors came and went, each teaching me something new about the game. Setbacks, oh, they were like stormy nights that seems endless. But through it all, I held on that belief that every dawn breaks the darkest night. And then, there it was, my own winning strategy. 3 years of sweat, tears, and endless grind.
Yeah guys, this is it for this video. If you guys want to see more of this type of vlog videos, a day in the life of FXGK, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please guys hit that subscribe button right now.